Do you struggle to get a good night's sleep? Or maybe you feel like the air in your room is a bit heavy? There's a plant that many consider magical. It's tough, beautiful, purifies the air, and protects your energy. Yes, I'm talking about the famous snake plant. Today, I'll give you 5 surprising reasons to keep one in your bedroom. And stick around until the end because I'm going to share a pro tip that makes all the difference in how you care for this plant. If you love plants, hit that like button and subscribe to Simply Green. Purifies the air while you sleep? According to NASA's Clean Air study, the snake plant is one of the few plants that releases oxygen at night. While most plants rest, she's working. She absorbs toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and toluene. The result? Pure air and much better sleep quality. It's like a natural air purifier that doesn't need a plug. Perfect for indoors. Some plants are divas. They need perfect light and constant watering. Not this one. The snake plant adapts to almost any space. It loves the shade and won't suffer if you forget to water it for a few weeks. It's the ultimate plant for beginners or for those darker corners of your home. 3. Protective energy. Beyond the physical benefits, many people believe this plant acts as an energetic barrier. Its sharp, upright leaves are associated with protection and balance. Many people keep it near doors or in the bedroom as a symbol of defense against negative vibes. If you care about the well-being of your space, this plant is a must-have. 4. Affordable and easy to find. You don't need to spend a lot of money on this. You can find snake plants easily in nurseries, garden centers, or online. And here's a secret. They are incredibly easy to propagate. If you know someone who has one, just ask for a small pup or cutting, and you can start your own collection for free. 5. Style and elegance. Snake plants are not just useful, they are stunning. Their firm, tall leaves with unique patterns add a modern, natural touch to any decor, whether it's boho, minimalist, or industrial. Plus, they don't take up much space. You can put one on a shelf, on the floor, or in a decorative pot to instantly transform your room. As promised, here is the extra tip. Stop overwatering. The snake plant is tough, but it hates soggy soil. Its roots can rot very easily. The key is to water only when the soil is completely dry. Use a pot with good drainage and a well-aerated soil mix, like one for cacti or succulents. Do this and your plant will thrive for years. Cleaner air, balanced energy, and effortless style. Do you need any more reasons to get a snake plant? If you enjoyed this video, comment "I have one" or "Getting mine soon" below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Simply Green, and share this with a fellow plant lover. See you in the next video with more green tips for your home.